Alright guys, today I wanted to do a unboxing and review on my new 5.4 foot life-size Halloween skeleton. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So as you can see, the assembly is very simple. It's actually only 3 pieces. I do want to say that the plastic is actually fairly sturdy compared to most that I have seen. And all of the parts are actually movable, so you can adjust it as you like. It also comes with a bandana and an eye patch, which I'll show you how to install here shortly. This is definitely an optional piece, but as you can see, it just gives it a little bit more of a spooky look to it. And here is how it looks if you have it sitting. I was really surprised of how large the actual skeleton was considering the size of the box, but like I said, it is a 5.4 foot skeleton, so you are also able to dress it up with other different items that you like. And here's what it looks like if you have it hanging. This was probably my favorite option, was actually have it hanging. It actually comes with a string behind it, so you can actually do this. So as you can see, it's almost the size of the door that I have. And look at all the cool little details that are on the skeleton. I felt like hanging it on the door gave it more of a spooky look. And as you can see, you can decorate things around it just to give it a little more of a pop to it. You are able to use it both indoors and outdoors, and it should hold up fine with the weather. And this is me just demonstrating how you can change the pose of the skeleton however you like. From the top of it all the way to the bottom, you can change different poses for every day. What I did also want to mention was once you're done with it, you're just able to take the 3 pieces away and box it up. So if you're looking for a new Halloween decoration, definitely look into this one. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.